My name is Alain Francés. I am from the Geological Survey of Portugal, that is called LNEG. My role in the project, I'm mainly the coordinator of a work package 3 that is about modeling. What we want to model the Dryad project is about preserving and adapting to the climate change this particular ecosystem that we call the Montado in Portugal, the ESA in Spain. And so we are going to model it to see how it adapts to the climate and also to some adaptation with some installation that we want to do. But what is a model? A model is a representation of the reality. What we use models that are digital model, numerical model. We do some counting, we use some equation, but a model, it can be as simple as this little car that my son left me to borrow to show him. So it's a representation of reality, and we can do some simulation. If I take this car and I put it on the little slope, it go to there. If I put a little higher slope, it will go much higher. And if I go too much slope, it will crash. That is my son likes to do, actually. But what we can see, this car, this representation of the reality is not really, it's a kind of weird. He has a very big well, the shape is very strange. We don't see this type of car in the reality. It's at the little scale. If I put at the bigger scale, at the normal representation, it will not be a car we see in the street. So we can have other more complex model like this one. So this one, if I put it grow at the normal scale, it will be quite realistic. Indeed, we can move the way where we put the grapes. By the way, this is a machine to do the vindime, to collect the grapes in the vineyard. And it can also, so it can move the part where you collect the grain. You can also turn the rods, and you have also all the representation of the system. So I can use this one, for instance, to calculate how far can be my row of vineyards. If I have this type of rod, when you arrive at the end, you need to do all that. So I cannot put my row of vineyard of the grapes every this distance. I have to put at least at the distance, and I can use it to implement next in the reality. So this is what model is about. And what we are doing, we are going to apply simple model, complex model, and more complex model, and even more model that will be developed in other work package that were not still tested. And this is what we're going to do, and to see if we can preserve this nice habitat that is the Montado and the ESA.